Good morning, guys. Well, today I've got something that we haven't had on my channel for a little while. I am here at my yard in Wilsonville where my sawmill has been sitting since we were evacuated about a month ago almost. And behind me is a California black oak that we harvested on the fire station project that I did almost 2 years ago. It's been sitting here ever since, and frankly too big to go on the mill. Well, one of my coworkers has done a really nice job of ripping it in half with a chainsaw freehand. So I'm going to get it up here on the mill and turn it into some 9/4 boards for a table that my boss wants to build for his house that he's remodeling. So I'm going to throw a new blade on the mill and get after it. Before I get going here though, I'd like to take a second and thank I don't even know how many people who watched my last two videos and clicked on the link for the GoFundMe for my neighbors who had their house burned down in the Riverside fire. The support is unbelievable, and I appreciate it. My neighbors definitely appreciate it. We've seen donations from all around the world. Some of you mentioned the channel. Many remained anonymous, which is understandable. But regardless, $10, $100, $200, it all added up, and it's really helped to increase the pot and help out these good neighbors of mine. So I appreciate that. Let's get milling. "35 inches tall, 22 and a half wide, even after being cut in half." So this is a monster, and well, I think there's nothing left to do, but I'm going to try and straighten it up just a little bit and then get after it. Well, this is not disappointing at all. I'm gonna rotate this 180, put the flat side down on the deck, take a couple slabs off of the bottom side here, and then I want to lay it so that I can clean up this edge that was cut with the chainsaw and just give it a nice square edge for down the road when it's dry and ready for turning into a table. You'll have a nice edge, you know.
Good looking stuff.
Yeah, it definitely will be. Well, I got 9 slabs out of that half a log. The widest is 22 inches. They're 9/4 or 2 1/4 inches thick, just over 12 feet long. And then I made some posts that are quarter sawn. My boss doesn't really have a table design in mind yet, but I thought I'd make some posts just in case that is what he ends up doing. But there should be plenty of lumber for a nice table. Normally I like to stack up my slabs at the end of the video and show off the grain, but that ain't happening. These things are heavy and I'm pooped. I'm going to pack up my mill and head home. Yesterday my neighbors had a logger out cutting down the burned trees at their place, which I'm working on a video for. And next weekend I've got an on-site milling job. I'm going to mill some Douglas fir lumber. So I got a lot of stuff coming up. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.